I'm Rachelle, herbalist, holistic health practitioner, and your host of Plant-Based with Well+Good. Today, I'm going to make for you one of my absolute favorite recipes. We are making ginger shots. We are making a concentrated ginger juice that is so healthy and also like instant to make, and also I guess instant gratification because you just have ginger shots on tap. Here is our buddy, ginger. Ginger is a root, obviously. In herbalism, we consider ginger a pungent aromatic. So pungent sort of speaks for itself. It's high in volatile oils, and ginger is anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, antibacterial, antiviral. I make this ginger concentrate every winter. You want to do about a hand of ginger. And if you have, you know, a super sweet blender, you don't need to peel it or anything. I'm going to cut off a little bit of the peel. Not only is ginger fantastic for immunity, but it's also great for digestion. We think of it for nausea. It increases circulation in the body. So, you know, if you're using it in the winter time, which is a lot of the time when we're focused on immunity, you're also getting the warming benefits of this spice. Just kind of approximate, got rid of most of the peel. Again, that's totally optional. And you have about a hand of ginger. You want to put that into about a quart of water. That's a really nice concentration. Okay, so ginger, water, super simple, and go. Now we need to strain it. I find a cheesecloth or like a milk bag to be most efficient, and I like to rubber band it onto my container. What you can do is just gather your cheesecloth up, kind of pop it off the top, and keep your bag in the container a little bit. Okay, this is exciting. So this is it. This is your concentrate. And like I said, you can just do shots of this, like, you know, a couple a day if you want. Also, you can mix it into so many different recipes. I kind of stayed with the immunity and digestive themes. You can make this, you know, medicinal in any way that you're inspired. But I'm going to add some elderberry syrup. So this will also make it a little bit sweet. Delish. I'm definitely going to do a little dash of cayenne pepper. So cayenne also, like ginger, increases circulation in the body. Cayenne is basically a natural painkiller. I know it hurts when you like first get it, but it acts as a painkiller. Also helpful for immunity. And then I wanted to do a splash of apple cider vinegar. This goodness. This is helpful for so many different things. Blood sugar stability, again, gut health. So just do a splash of that. I decided to use chamomile. Chamomile is great for digestion. It's considered a carminative, which is helpful for increasing gastric acid in the stomach. So sort of digestive juices, which ginger also does. And then last but not least, and this you could sprinkle in, or you can do this on top of like your shots or any sort of drink recipe you're making with it, fennel seeds. So fennel, also fantastic for digestion, gives you a really cool flavor. They absorb the water and get softer, but still have that like pop and crunch. I mean, you just store this in your fridge for the week, like, hello. here it is. Here's our ginger shot. I poured myself a very big shot, as you can see, but I fully intend to drink the entire thing. Ginger shot infused with all the things. Totally enjoyable, just like this. Yeah, like a little kick, not too much, just enough. You get that cayenne like on the tail end, little bit sweet from the elderberry, mostly just like warmth and spice, and I mean beneficial for so many things, right? For more plant-based, make sure to subscribe to Well+Good's YouTube channel.